lovely people, welcome to my channel. That's naturally this year's TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a detangler and also a more moisturizing gel for your hair to prevent your hair from breaking, dry scalp, and also to promote hair growth using just one ingredient. Yes, what we have here is okra, and you know we have access to this okra everywhere that we go, in the market, in the grocery stores. So when you need some, you'll be able to get some. So easy to access. Now, but before we get into the video, if today is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon so that you learn more on how to grow your natural hair and many more. Now, we all know the benefits of okra. Okra is rich in vitamins, magnesium, and folate, rich in amino acid that nourish and give your hair all natural protein treatment, all forms of protective and reflecting layer of your hair that makes your hair frizz-free, silky free, and also super shiny. And also it reduces hair breakage. Okra is rich in vitamins A, C, K, and has calcium, potassium, and other nutrients that are great for hair growth, nourishing dry scalp. Yes, you can also Google the benefits of okra and you learn more on how to. Alright, so now let's get into the video. I'm going to need this bowl, put some few water in it, make sure you wash it very well. I've already washed it, but I'm also washing it once again for you to see how. So as you can see, I'm done. Let me wash it off. So I'll go ahead to place them in this. So I'm going to need a saucepan and a knife. I'm going to cut the top, divide them into 4 sections. So I think I'll need just those few for my hair. It depends on your hair. Go ahead and add this amount of water. I don't want my gel to be so thick. Yes, I don't want it to be so thick, so I'll use this amount of water for it in my hair. So I'm going to cover it and then bring it to a boil for the next 15 minutes. All right. Alright guys, so it's been about 15 minutes and this is what we have here. So now I'm going to need a strainer and a bowl. I'm going ahead to strain the gel. Yes, we've seen how it looks like. I want most of the oil, the gel to come out, so this is what we have here. So that's the texture and the slimy texture that we have. To use it as a leave-in conditioner, you add it to your leave-in conditioner, then you apply it to your scalp and your hair for more moisturizing of your hair, to prevent your hair from dandruff and promote hair growth. Yes, so we've come to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, give me a thumbs